we will do this in a very intellectual manner.
Rock, paper, scissors.
This was
Straight face.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Anusha Sampath.
Hi, I'm Akshay.
hi, this is Amrita.
So, and you guys are watching the great filmy
Filmy
Tamasha.
Tamasha.
Yeah, welcome.
Okay.
Hey, welcome.
So, guys, what are we doing here? Tell me.
We are actors and पिछले 100 दिन से हम शूटिंग वगैरह कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऑडिशनिंग भी नहीं कर रहे हैं एंड द बिगेस्ट थिंग दैट वी आर मिसिंग आउट ऑन इज वाचिंग फिल्म्स एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट फिल्म्स.
Going to theaters big
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
We
We've not
are
gone-
like proper
Yes,
movie buffs.
yes,
We
yes.
used to go to theater at least once a week, sometimes 4 times
Once
a
a
week.
week?
And we are
Twice.
really
At least
I
once
said
was
at
mine.
least.
You guys went 4 times a
I
week.
said at least. ऐसा हुआ है यार कि मूवी ही रिलीज नहीं हुई ठीक से कि हम नहीं जा पाए. ऐसा हुआ है. Okay.
What we really enjoy apart from watching movies is arguing about movies.
Very passionately.
Yes.
We
Yes.
love talking
Yes.
about films. We do.
We are very opinionated people. My God. Onionated. We are very onionated people.
Onionated.
All of us. That is the easiest to say. So onionated people, all of us. Okay. Anyway. So we are all very opinionated people और हमारे पास बहुत कुछ होता है बात करने के लिए because we also stay together तो हमारे पास time
Yes,
बहुत होता है
guys,
बात
we
करने
are
के लिए.
actually flatmates. We
Yes.
all live in Mumbai together.
Yes.
मतलब live in Mumbai
Yes.
together. We are all now in our
Lived in Mumbai
respective cities.
together. Before
Hoping to
this.
get back together soon.
And the
Yeah,
owners
he's
say
in
Mumbai.
a-
He's in
Actual
Mumbai.
house.
So yeah.
वो वहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पे बैठ के रेंट पे कर रहे हैं.
अमृता तुम
Yeah.
अमृता तुम अभी कहाँ पर हो हमको बताओ.
हाँ मैं अभी बैंगलोर में हूँ and Bangalore is lovely right now. The monsoon, the weather, beautiful. Except for Corona.
हाँ.
Except for Corona, things are great in Bangalore.
Yeah, मतलब
And
बैंगलोर
I
का
am in. ठीक है बोलो.
मैं बोल रहा था बैंगलोर का
बोलो, पहले बोलो.
वेदर एकदम कोरोना लायक है. कोरोना बियर. कोरोना इज अ बियर अनु.
Okay. Guys, alert, please. Akshay
A joke that had to
is
be
very good at cracking very bad PJs. So
Hey.
bear with him.
Yes.
PJ stands for
Bear
proper
with
show.
him. Like it is like क्या कहते हैं statutory
Since
warning.
when we put a disclaimer before this video, beware of Akshay's PJs.
हो गया? Done?
हो गया.
Stop assuming that the entire world has
अरे मुझको बोल.
हाँ बोलो. Sorry. तुमने मेरे
I
PJ
am
पे
from
insult
Mysore.
हाँ.
I am from Mysore, which is in Karnataka. This is my hometown. So I am
Which
staying
is just
with
4
my.
hours from me.
Sorry, yeah. Very close to Amrita, then to Akshay. I'm here, I'm with my family, having a very nice quarantine, eating really well. Got a big space to roam around, jump around, unlike the houses in Mumbai. So, yeah, basically enjoying but also missing work. And
Yeah.
we thought we should do something because we are all missing this.
Missing movies, we are missing Mumbai, we are missing arguing.
And we're missing
We thought
each
let's
other
get
also. Say
together.
it okay. It's
Yeah,
okay.
oh
We
yeah.
not hurt you.
Little bit.
इसीलिए तो you are the people that we are doing this with.
इतना सा missing both of you. इतना सा.
Yeah. इतने से थोड़ा
इतना-
ज़्यादा missing all of you.
Hmm.
इतना
Biggest liar, huh? She's the least social person in the group, and she's telling
Yeah, that is true.
"Jyada
That is
we are
true.
missing." Do not believe.
No, but social and connected to people, two different things. Not very social, but I love being with people whom I know. Right, and I was very lucky to find these
Thank
two
you, thank you.
idiots
Hi,
as my flat.
Hi. ये सब कैमरा के लिए बोला जा रहा
चढ़ा
है.
देती हूँ उतारने से पहले चल के चढ़ा दो.
I know.
Okay, so let's
right.
go ahead. Let's start.
So
Okay.
what are we doing? What
Yes.
are we
Yeah.
starting?
So guys, this is how it's gonna be. In these videos, we will have topics, okay, for which each of us will make a selection, and then we'll argue for our selections. For example, suppose this is not the topic of the week, guys. I'm just giving you an example. Suppose the topic was who is the best Khan in the film industry. Anusha would choose. What would you choose?
Shahrukh.
Okay, Amrita.
कोई शक.
I would want to choose the same actually. But I'll go with Amir.
Amir, okay.
I'll go
And
with
I
Amir.
would choose.
Because we have to debate.
I would choose
So,
Kareena Kapoor Khan. Okay.
oh,
I wanted to choose
different.
Taimur. I wanted to choose Taimur, but
इसने पहले से choose
But
करके रखा था. That's
इतना
why an
content नहीं ना, it's
example.
all stills. So you
Exactly,
need more
exactly.
videos. Yeah.
you need.
So,
I will wait 10 more years before I choose Taimur Khan. But right now it's Kareena Kapoor Khan. Now we'll argue with each other and try to prove why our choice is the best choice ever. Okay. And as the audience, we'd like to invite you, to be a part of the competition. To either go for Team Anusha.
Or Team Amrita.
Or Akshay. Also, before somebody else calls this out, I'm a big fan of the Screen Junkies YouTube channel and their movie fights. So if you see similarities, then good
Yeah.
for you.
it means you're
Because
watching
they are-
good content.
It means you're watching good content.
Yeah.
There might be some
Yeah,
inspirations
so we
here and
are
there.
also plugging them, not like they needed.
But we are not
yeah.
copies.
So we are very
because
inspired. We are very inspired.
We are
Yeah.
inspired. It's a homage.
Yeah, it's obvious. Yeah, we are
Art is
people.
all about inspiration,
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
Art is all about
it's
inspiration.
all about inspiration.
So, the topic for today's video. Amrita, tell them the topic.
Okay. तो आज का टॉपिक है our least favorite films of 2019. We will debate for our least favorite films of 2019 to prove that they are the worst of 2019. And yes.
Okay.
So,
And
And who
हाँ.
gets to go first?
बैठे बैठे क्या करें करना है कुछ काम शुरू करो.
Okay. Do you want to go alphabetically?
Yeah, let's just go.
We are all three. We all.
है ना, हम confusion
हम तीनों के
हटा.
नाम शुरू होते हैं.
I should go last.
तो
That's
सेकंड लेटर से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा.
और do you want to
सेकंड लेटर से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा.
second?
या सरनेम से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. सरनेम.
Anyways, I am last. Akshay is first.
Okay. Okay.
Ja,
Okay.
Akshay, ja.
Competing from Team Akshay, the film which makes Race 3 look like Andaz Apna Apna, the film which makes Tube Light look like Rain Man, the film which makes Dabang 1 look like The Dark Knight, Dabang 2 look like The Dark Knight Rises, and the film's trailer which made me believe that this film is going to be as good as Batman Begins, the origin story of Chulbul Pandey, Dabang 3. Direct,
Good opening. Huh?
directed by Prabhu Deva,
Strong.
starring Salman Khan, Sonakshi
Brown
Sinha,
points.
Kicha Sudeep, along with the usual suspects of Arbaz Khan, Dipal Kapadia, Vinod Khanna in spirit, played by his brother, Mahesh Manjrekar, debut of his daughter Sai Manjrekar, no nepotism over there, and Sohail Khan in a special appearance.
Okay, so I'm next.
Yes.
My film is. I have no grand opening lines. Does not need it. The movie is very self-explanatory. It's called Color. Okay. So IMDb पे उसकी rating Dabang 3 से 0.03 ऊपर है. कैसे?
IMDb पे मैं जीत गया.
IMDb पे actually वो जीत गया.
IMDb
मेरी मूवी का भी
जीत गया.
रेटिंग उससे 1 पॉइंट ज्यादा है.
तुम्हारी मूवी का रेटिंग उससे 1.3 पॉइंट. हाँ नहीं
1 पॉइंट ज्यादा है. हाँ 1 पॉइंट ज्यादा है.
1 पॉइंट ज्यादा.
So okay, इतना मैं अपनी मूवी के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. It is a movie which beat Dabang in IMDb, but still I consider to be the worst film of 2019. That is Chabariya Jodi, starring Pariniti Chopra, Siddharth Malhotra, and it has got really brilliant actors like Sanjay Mishra, Apar Shakti Khurana, and Javed Jafri. But still, you'll know why I do not like it and why you shouldn't like it.
मैंने अपनी स्टार कास्ट के बारे में भी कुछ नहीं बोला.
It is so
ये सोच के कि सबको पता ही होगा. But
Magnum opus.
मैग्नम
नहीं,
ओपस मैन.
तुमने
बहुत
बताया
बड़े बड़े
नहीं-
नाम है
तुमने
फिल्म
बताया
में.
नहीं कि इस फिल्म के कलंकार कौन कौन है.
किसने इस कलंकित फिल्म में 4 चांद लगाए? बहुत सारे लोग हैं. बहुत सारे लोग हैं. बहुत सारे लोग
6 चांद
हैं.
ना.
खत्म ही नहीं होते हैं लोग.
So I'm just gonna talk a little bit about why, as per me, Dabang 3 is the worst film of the year. With Chulbul Pandey, Salman Khan actually created a character which merges his star persona very well with his acting abilities. You have everything in the right measurement. And Dabangg 1 was genuinely a very good movie. अपने genre में वो बहुत अच्छी है. No, you might not like the genre, but if you're fans of the genre, it is very good. Now what happens is with every sequel, you want to see something new, you want to see something more masaledar, you want the action to get better, you want the humor to be funnier. None of that over here. It is more of the same. In fact, there are no new jokes, there's no character development, everybody has stayed the same way. You can spot the twists and turns from like 2 hours away. 2 घंटे पहले से बता सकते हो कि फिल्म में क्या होने वाला है. That is how obvious the film is. The music of the film. There is a song in every 10 minutes. It is like the worst songs selected from Sajid and the late Wajid's albums have been put into this film. They all sound like Dabangg 1 songs, by the way, but words have been changed. It is like, अच्छा मुन्नी बदनाम हुई के मोल्ड में हम क्या वर्ड डाल सकते हैं? मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ. You know,
I thought the
तेरे
exact
मस्त
same
मस्त तो
thing.
नहीं, हबीबी के नहीं. So, you know,
It's true. It's
you
true.
know, I should
It's
have,
true, man.
I should have known the moment I entered into the theater that it's time for me to get
Oh,
scared
God.
when I saw Salman Khan has written the story of the film.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. I paused at that. मैंने वो screen pause करके देखा because मैंने laptop पे देखा. मैंने कहा क्या screen है? Salman Khan. I was like, okay.
Did I mention the 33-year-old age gap between Salman Khan and Sai Manjarekar? Okay,
You shouldn't.
Let's talk about the acting.
Yeah.
What acting? No acting. They added Sohail Khan in the movie. Okay, they added Sohail Khan in the movie as a cameo, and there are some toilet jokes. They might as well have called it Hello Brother Part 2. Also, I've gotten kind of irritated with self-referential humor, you know. I don't like it when actors talk about their previous films. So even there's a particular scene in the choreography where they are imitating steps from Maine Pyar Kiya. You know, the kabutar is on the shoulder and he and Sonakshi are doing the moonwalk, or he's doing the Jalwa step. It just feels very lazy. You know, let's talk about equality of roles. There is none. Sai Manjarekar exists so that Kicha can kill her, so that he can kill Kicha. Sonakshi and Arbaz exist so that Kicha can threaten to kill them and so that Salman can kill Kicha. Finally, I would like to say that my film makes Jabadiya Jodi look like Hasi to Fasi and Kalank look like Mughal-e-Azam. Booyah!
That is what you feel. Now we'll tell what we feel, okay?
That was incredibly entertaining, Akshay.
More than the film, I bet.
But
That is true.
yes, yes,
That is true.
yes, it was. Yes, it
Okay.
was. Talia for me, not for the movie. Yeah. So Kalank is, to sum it up, it's a historical drama set just before independence, right? And fun fact, that place where it's set is an actual place, like Husnabad and Hira Mandi. They are
they
real
exist,
places. And unki asli kahani, Hira Mandi ki asli kahani, some author has written a book on it. If somebody makes a film on that, probably that will be 25,000 times better than this one. So, and that's all you need to know about this one.
Are?
because जिन्होंने ये पिक्चर बनाई है ना, जिन्होंने ये पिक्चर बनाई है उनको भी नहीं पता. लाइक मैंने इससे ज्यादा दिशाहीन जो बोलते हैं डायरेक्शनलेस मूवी
भाषा तो
कभी
देखो,
नहीं देखी.
भाषा
They
तो
don't
देखो.
know.
भाषा देखो.
अरे
She
भाषा
got inspired by the era.
directionless. Yeah. Oh, I did. They did not. Okay. So they truly did not.
So that's a good point.
The dialogue, the language, it's so colloquial, it's so contemporary. Every scene in the movie is meant to distract from the story. Everything. So I actually wrote this down, what I think about the movie, that it's a directionless film full of distractions, or better word will be gimmicks, to make up for all its shortcomings. And there are many shortcomings. The movie really suffers from too many characters and no clear focus. Right? अगर आपको एक इंसान की कहानी कहनी है and everybody else is supporting cast, it's relatively easy. There is a clear focus. It's easy to follow. Right? When you're talking about six main characters, and then one very strong supporting lead, and Kunal Khem. Right?
He's done a good job.
Yeah. He's the only one. Right?
That we talked
Then you have to be very careful. right? तुम इतनी Kalank is marketed as this intense emotional drama. The problem is there's nothing intense about it. It's all very very superficial. तुम किसी किरदार में इन्वेस्ट कर ही नहीं सकते. वो दिखा रहे हैं कि इस बंदे के साथ इतना बुरा हो रहा है, इतना बुरा हो रहा है, इतना बुरा हो रहा है. At no point will you feel bad for any character ever, right? Because उन्होंने खुद ही इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया किसी कैरेक्टर में. ठीक है. There is, how do you feel bad for Varun Dhawan when there are 24 Ram clones flying in the background, right? The whole set, the music, the costume, they're all designed to distract you from the story. Like the movie opens, ek to I can't assume, but it does look like that this is some sort of an homage to Sanjay Leela Bhansali's brand. This is Karan Johar's homage to
Sanjay Leela Bhansali, the director.
Yeah, well, he needs to assist him more. So this was
Straight face.
Okay.
the biggest problem with Kalank is that it's every second of it is completely unbelievable. It's so superficial. किसी चीज़ पे फोकस करके डेप्थ में उसको सही करने की कोशिश ही नहीं की है. जो डायलॉग्स लिखे हैं, हुसैन दलाल है इनका नाम, इन्होंने लिखे हैं डायलॉग्स.
कुछ सुनाओ ना, कुछ सुनाओ ना.
really don't want to.
कुछ रिश्ते
I really don't want to.
कर्ज की तरह होते हैं जिनको निभाना नहीं,
yeah,
चुकाना पड़ता है.
चुकाना पड़ता है.
By the way, Abhishek
Yes,
Varman
yes,
is
yes.
he assisted on Devdas.
I really do not know where this movie went wrong, because if the script read as badly as the movie watches, the movie views, I'm really surprised that all these actors signed up for it. Maybe it was just the Karan Johar brand. Because अगर मैंने बाकी पिक्चरें नहीं देखी होती तो ये पिक्चर देख के मुझे लगता है कि इन लोगों की एक्टिंग बहुत बेकार. How is it so terrible कि that you cannot feel for any character, कि वो रो रहे हैं और तुम्हें रोना आ ही नहीं रहा, बिल्कुल तुम्हें कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा, तुम उनकी बेवकूफ़ी पे शायद हंस रहे हो कि ये भी हो सकता है. Because there were like a couple of scenes like it's very jarring. तुम किसी भी सीन में पूरी तरह घुस ही नहीं पाओगे. वो फिल्म ही तुम्हें हर पॉइंट पे अपनी स्टोरी से बाहर निकाले.
Okay.
तुम अभी शायद उसके साथ इंगेज करना शुरू किया तुमने, और सडनली कोलोसियम में बुल फाइट आ जाएगा. सडनली पीछे से चार्ल्स राम और आएंगे.
You are really trying, but the film itself is.
I'm trying. I'm trying. Like, I'm trying to engage with the movie. I'm watching the movie. I'm giving it my time, and the movie itself will draw you out at all times. Husnabad, pre-independence India, very, मतलब 45-46 में based है. It is a throwback to some Mughaliya, Rajputana times. The whole architecture, every single thing is just jarring. You're like, ये कब हो रहा है?
Do you think they are doing too much?
It was too much. It
She
was
did not
too
think.
much. It
She
was also
knows.
too much. It was too. No. I'll tell you what. It was too much focus on the wrong
Okay.
things. Like too much focus on the stylization. Too much focus on the set. Too much focus on the costume. Too little focus on the dialogue delivery. Too little focus on the dialogues itself to make it feel believable of the time frame. Too little focus on bringing out the uniqueness of each character. The characterization is pathetic. Right? Too little focus on basically everything that makes a film work. Like वो जो बोलते हैं ना suspension of disbelief, वो मेरा हर 5 सेकंड पे unsuspend होता रहता है इस film. Right? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Done.
So my movie is Jabariya Jodi. So I hope you guys have seen it, so that you understand what I'm about to say.
Yes, absolutely.
See, the
Yes,
film
yes.
starts off quite on a decent note. Ki, you know, there is this guy who's doing this groom kidnapping, which apparently happens in Bihar. So I thought it is something new. कुछ नया दिखा रहे. Maybe it will turn out to be something like, you know, they're trying to say something about that part, but no. Actually, the problem I had with the movie is none of the characters really know what they want or what they're doing. Take for example Abhay Singh's character, which is Siddharth Malhotra's character. So the movie starts off, he's doing something, he doesn't want to do it, but his father is forcing him to do it, so he's doing it. And Pariniti, Bubbly, is supposed to be his childhood sweetheart, and he meets her, he falls in love with her, he has sex with her, and then he suddenly decides कि अरे मुझे commitment नहीं चाहिए. And then suddenly Pariniti's father comes and tells him कि you kidnap a groom for Pariniti. he wants to do it, but his father says nahi, the groom is already taken. So he's like, he goes to Pariniti, humiliates her and says कि मुझे तुमसे तो कभी शादी नहीं करनी थी. And then suddenly you see कि he's kidnapped Pariniti because उसने इसके साथ कुछ किया. Then suddenly the same groom जिसके साथ उसकी शादी होने वाली थी, जिसको इसने किडनैप नहीं किया, उसी ग्रूम को किडनैप करके लेके आ गया. फिर उसको सडनली लग रहा है कि नहीं, वो सही नहीं है इसके लिए, एंड सडनली he wants to confess his feelings, but then when he realizes that she is not going to marry him, suddenly he is going to follow his father again. I'm already losing track actually. Like I don't know.
Why did you not draw this out? Why did you not draw this out?
Yeah.
Like I
Graph
don't know
बनाना
what he
चाहिए
wants
था
to
इसका.
do.
Flow
It would
chart.
be easier to show that image like this, not to the audience who's seeing this.
Like देखो ये like नहीं, it is so, it is यार Inception is
Oh, I
easier to
should have done
understand,
that for
पता
Kalank
है?
also.
ये क्या है, तुम क्या
I
कर?
should have done that for Kalank also.
Yeah, but see, it is not this complicated. We'll get to it later. Okay, so यहाँ पे उसको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. First he says मुझे father को follow नहीं करना है. Then he says father को जवाब देना है and जाके परिणीति से शादी करनी है. And then finally he's actually agreeing to marry somebody who his father is telling only. And I'm like, and by the way, there is a scene in the film. They are childhood sweethearts, right? So वो बिछड़ गए जब वो बचपन में थे. and after like 20 years or so, Pariniti sees him. She doesn't even know how he looks, but Siddharth Malhotra is doing this, and she's like, यही है वो, बचपन में यही करता था मेरा भाई. Now I love him because
इसी के एल्बम में खुजली है.
सिर्फ यही करता है क्योंकि यही है. Seriously, and it's not only Siddharth Malhotra. Even Pariniti's character goes everywhere. She's angry, she's fierce. In the first scene, you show her bashing up the boyfriend who leaves her, and then she falls in love with him, and suddenly she decides कि यार इसने मुझको cheat किया, तो चलो इसको अगवा करके उसी की तरह शादी करते हैं. But पूरी शादी नहीं करनी है because उसको दिखाना है. Suddenly she decides to marry a best friend क्योंकि why not? Best friend तो इसीलिए होता है ताकि तुम्हारा दिल टूट जाए, तुम शादी बिल्कुल ना करना चाहो, तब भी हम रहेंगे क्योंकि हम तो इसी के लिए आए. स्पेशली अपार शक्ति खुराना वो वही करता है, उसको दयालु ही बनना है हर फिल्म में.
फेवरेट कंधा है वो. फेवरेट कंधा है वो.
हाँ, मतलब तुम जानते हो वो किसी और से प्यार करती है, तुम्हारे बारे में कोई फीलिंग नहीं है, बट फिर भी यू वांट टू सेव हर, यू नो, सो यू विल मैरी हर. एंड उसको भी मतलब Help!
He's the king of the friend zone.
Like क्या कर रहे हो, क्या करना चाहते हो, तुम करना क्या चाहते हो? Like, seriously. So yeah, I think.
Okay.
I can't explain beyond this, and I'm really sad कि you wasted actors like Sanjay Mishra in a film like this.
I know. Do you want to do
I like him.
pranayam? Do you want to do pranayam? You seem very angry.
No, I'm lost.
Yeah, she's angry.
Like I am lost. That's what I felt when I was watching the film. I like, ये अच्छा हो नहीं हाँ.
Okay.
My primary emotion after watching my film was hurt. Her primary emotion after watching her film is anger.
शायद we watched it together. Remember, we were sitting in theater and we were like.
I remember even I was like this. I remember.
I'm like, अच्छा तुम. Anyways.
So now I'm gonna tell you why your films are better than mine. Okay. Let's talk about Jabadiya Jodi first. She just spoke about that. So I genuinely think that the intention of the movie is not bad. They have a very good concept in place.
दिल से बनाते हैं.
I agree.
Okay, they have a good
I agree.
concept in place. I personally myself, I'm from Bihar. I did not know about this दूल्हे को kidnap करना. I never lived there, na, so I never heard of it.
Hey, I haven't either, but I know.
I don't know ना.
मतलब
मुझे दूल्हे की जरूरत नहीं है, तो मुझे पता नहीं चला. Okay.
Probably. Yeah, that's the reason. That's exactly
So
the reason.
also this is a never before explored concept on Hindi films, where the protagonist is actually in the business of kidnapping grooms because they are trying to demand dowry. So it's tackling two issues at the same time. I also feel that for the lead actors, Siddharth Malhotra and Pariniti Chopra, I'm assuming that when they read the script, they thought that आज हम कुछ अलग करने वाले हैं from what we have been doing so far, which is totally lacking in my film, by the way. मेरे फिल्म में कोई कंसेप्ट नहीं है, मेरे फिल्म में कोई इंटेंशन नहीं है except to make money. I think the supporting cast of Jabadiya Jodi was very strong. Javed Jafri was very good. He's usually known for comedy, but he did a very good spin on the, negative father who's patriarchal kind of a thing. Sanjay Mishra with his whole sleepwalking act. Chandan Roy Sanyal was good. Shiva Chadda was good. Apar Shakti Khurana, up till that point, had not yet become the permanent Kandha. He became that after Pati Patni Aur Wo. Like 2019 was the year of Apar Shakti Khurana being cemented as the Kandha. So at this point of time, he was still kind of fresh. The music of Jabadiya Jodi is not great, but there are two songs which are pretty decent. Okay, the Khadke Glassy song on its own is quite nice. As is Zilla Hilela. It's a stupid song, but it just sticks in your head.
No, it did not stick in my head. What is the song?
Arey, it is Siddharth Malhotra's entry song.
Let's stage up Kavariya Saath. Zilla Hilela.
Jilla Hilela.
I watched all these movies yesterday.
I remember. I very well remember Khadke Glassy. I liked it also.
Yeah.
But this one.
Overall, I think the social messaging of your film was quite strong. The anti-dowry, it's pro-girl child.
It was.
It is also anti-forced marriage. Whether the girl is being forced or the boy is being forced, it's wrong. Kalank. Okay. I think Kalank is a very beautiful film. Like, it's very beautiful to look at. The songs of the film are fantastic. I love First Class, and Ghar More Pardesiya is a fantastic song. Only one flaw.
I like Kalank also.
Yeah, even Kalank. And by the way, it won the Filmfare Award for male singer, Arjit Singh, for Kalank. Except for First Class and what is that song with Kriti Sanan? Except for these two songs, the remaining songs of the film, they have been picturized very well. In fact, Ghar More Pardesiya ka choreography is very nice. In your film, the performances are very good. The characters are irritating.
You said performances are good.
I'm saying your characters are irritating. The characters are not very nice.
No, I agree to that point. I think Varun Dhawan has done a good job.
Varun Dhawan, this one, Kunal Khemu, Aditya Roy Kapoor. Sonakshi Sinha, I found her very irritating as a character. Even Alia Bhatt, I found her irritating as a character. But I did not find a flaw in their performance. I think after ages, I saw a film with this kind of an ensemble cast. It's been a while. So I was quite happy to see everybody on screen. By no means is it a worthy competitor to Dabangg 3. In fact, I think Kalank is the best film amongst all the films we are discussing today.
Oh my god.
Go for it.
Okay, so coming to your movies, I actually enjoyed Jabariya Jodi and I enjoyed Dabangg. Like, they're not great movies by any chance, right? They're not even good movies. But the thing is expectation setting. ठीक है, तुम्हें पता है what you're walking in. Right? I watched Dabangg 1. I enjoyed Dabangg 1. I watched Dabangg 2. I enjoyed it a little less than Dabangg 1. But still, I know what to expect when I'm walking in for Dabangg 3. मैं Martin Scorsese की picture नहीं expect कर रही when I go in to watch Dabangg 3. Right? So expectations correct. I'm going in for mindless fun. ठीक है, वो mindless fun का quotient पहले से drop हो गया है because of the over glorification. मतलब वो होता है ना, basically क्या हुआ, they went into the weird so much. They made him so much. I think he was already a superhero. They made him so much more of a superhero, Dabangg, that it became comical. But because it's a comedy film already, तो comedy film में इस मामलों में थोड़ी सी forgiving होती है. Comedy as a genre is forgiving of these kind of goof-ups. It's comedy. I watched Dabangg 1 and Dabangg 2. I'm not expecting some super intelligent mindfuck drama. That I'll be a little but overall it was still fun. Right? Salman Khan was doing what Salman Khan does. Right? He was being the police gunda. I would have liked to see a little bit more of the other characters also. पिछली movies में थोड़ा ज़्यादा scope मिलता था. विनोद खन्ना के जो character थे.
Even Arbaz Khan had good scope in the first film. Of course,
he's moved on. Yeah, although Arbaz Khan का scope I think इसमें बढ़ा था as the.
It's so obvious कि वो क्या कर रहा है. Yeah. There's no surprise, you know.
Yeah, there were no surprises in Dabangg at all. But that's what I said.
They tried to show him as somebody who might double cross.
But maybe, but I would be really interested in meeting the person who actually believes.
Salman Khan. He wrote the story.
I did.
Salman Khan wrote the story.
I also believe.
The music is repetitive. I agree, especially वो हबीबी के नैना. Such a joke, man. I'm going to laugh about it. Okay, so my thing with Dabangg 3 is कि as expected, expectation अगर यहाँ थी तो Dabangg 3 यहाँ थी, पर यहाँ नहीं.
Okay.
जबरिया जोड़ी की तो तुम्ही ने मेरे सारे पॉइंट्स बोल दिए. It's a great concept. Me, I am a Bihari Guju. I knew about this fact.
Oh, okay.
मेरी अपनी फैमिली में मेरे बड़े मामा के साथ भी होते रह गया था.
बच गए.
Some बच गए. A long time ago, 30-40 years ago now, right? And I remember being told कि उनको घर में बंद रहना पड़ा for quite some time because this would have happened to him otherwise. I did not know कि अभी भी इतना ज़्यादा होता है. I was very surprised by Siddharth Malhotra. I've never been a huge fan of Siddharth Malhotra. Right? He surprised me in how well he executed his role.
Didn't you think that he's
I thought
always
his performance was
experimenting
good.
actually? Even if you see his filmography, it's quite varied.
Yeah, he's trying. He's definitely trying.
That even
In fact,
I
he was
agree.
so much better than Pariniti. Acting wise इस फिल्म का एक ही weak link लगा मुझे. Unfortunately, Pariniti चुप रहा.
Surprising thing, no?
Because she was not Bihari at all in any way. उसका जो friend crew था, जो सारे दोस्त थे, Pashati Khurana was a waste, but the rest of the gang was so much fun to watch.
Yeah,
right?
they were
They were
funny
the-
at bits, yeah. Especially when
Yeah, I really
they
enjoyed
try to kidnap Siddharth.
those
When
kidnapping
they tried
events.
to kidnap Siddharth, those were like,
Yeah, I love. So I actually really enjoyed Jabariya Jodi. It has its flaws, but again, it's not a pretentious movie. It is very firmly rooted in a story. It has a concept. It has clarity of mind. Director को पता है उसको क्या कहना. Javed Jafri, I love Javed Jafri. I was so happy to see him back on screen. Right? He's such a good actor. Right? I want to see more of him. More Javed Jafri, please. It was a very authentic film. To me, it had its flaws, but Jabariya Jodi was a very authentic film. The humor was good. It was not toilet humor. The performances from everyone except for Pariniti was good. The music was not good. I did not like the music, but then there was not so much music कि कोई फर्क पड़े. इतना ज़्यादा उसमें है नहीं कि 10-10 मिनट में गाने आ रहे हैं. Thank God.
वो दबंग में है.
it's fine.
वो दबंग में है.
वो दबंग में है. But Dabangg again very authentic. Watch Dabangg 1. Watch
it's the
Dabangg 2.
word of the day. Authentic.
It is my word of the day because कलंक की सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत ही यही है. और जब तक तुमने कलंक नहीं देखी हो तब तक तुम ऑथेंटिसिटी का तो मतलब
नहीं, authentic का I don't feel anything is authentic in these three. But yeah.
I personally feel that Dabangg and Jabariya Jodi were very true to what they were trying to show. They never pretended otherwise. They never pretended to be something that they are not. Which Kalank did the whole time, and it's
Okay.
right. So that is my I rest my case with why Kalank is the worst of the three. Like, matlab not by a short while also, but like by a large margin.
Okay.
You know?
Okay, we'll get back to it.
कि अगर वो बैड स्केल है
We'll
0 to
get back.
10 का बैड स्केल है और अगर मैं जबरिया जोड़ी को मतलब अगर मैं
हम
दबंग को
समझ
4 out of 10 yeah
जज्बात.
let's get it fine हाँ ठीक है fine I'm done rest my case go ahead okay now it's Anusha's turn
Okay, Sampath, go first.
yeah
I'll start with Dabangg. They've already established the character of Chulbul Pandey, which is very lovable for me. Okay, movie कैसे भी हो Dabangg 3, but the character is very lovable. Maybe the storyline went here there. I mean, the narration went here there because he wrote his own dialogues. But वो एक connect है जो पहले से है. So that is something which I really liked watching in Dabangg 3 also. And in Jabariya Jodi, I did not like any character, honestly. Like, I did not feel कि अरे यार इनके साथ गलत हो रहा है, इनके साथ. Not that I felt wrong with Salman Khan's character, but he is a very adorable character. Chulbul Pandey is a very adorable character. None of the characters in Jabariya Jodi is adorable. Okay, and the background score of Dabangg. So, see, you have those moments in Dabangg which is like CT worthy, clap worthy,
Hero moments.
establish किया गया है from past so many years.
Agreed.
So when they say
There are over 20.
Dabangg,
There are over
Dabangg,
20 20 entrances of Salman Khan in the film.
Agreed. But there is something which makes you go like, ooh, I was waiting for it. Again, we are all talking in comparison to our movies, right? So, Jabariya Jodi में ऐसा कोई moment नहीं है where I'm like, ooh, this is the moment I was waiting for. But hey, Dabangg में they have those moments. They have got those shirt खोलने वाला scene which really, make audience go like, that is what they like Amrita said, that is what they showed that they are going to give you, and they gave you that. Okay, they showed that they are going to give you these CT Mar moments, and they're going to give you a Salman Khan drool worthy, if you can say like that, worthy moments, and they did that. So there was something in Dabangg which was nice, and I really like the chemistry between Sonakshi and Salman in the film. Like it has been there for past three films. So it is something which was like, here I don't know if you love her, you hate her, what do you want to do with her? तुम बोल रहे हो कि तुमको प्यार हो गया, कहीं दिख ही नहीं रहा है कि प्यार हो गया, किसी और के साथ शादी कराना चाहते हो, you're just so confused with somebody you're loving. Okay, so Dabangg has its own thing which I like to watch. And see, Sudeep, I like Sudeep. I know उसको screen space नहीं दिया गया है अच्छे से, which is my biggest disappointment.
Considering it's a Salman Khan film, उसको बहुत screen space मिला है.
And I actually like this
being from Karnataka, I am biased there. I actually wanted to watch the film for Sudeep. I got few good glimpses of him. Could have been better established, but again, something to look forward to, something new in the film. Okay, some newness.
As an honorary Kannadiga, I also really appreciate it.
So that was about Dabangg.
Kincha, by the way. Even I really liked to see him. I would have liked to see him more. Okay. Anu,
I would have liked to see him.
And the story, story of Dabangg is not कि यहाँ जाएंगे, वहाँ जाएंगे, वहाँ जाएंगे, यहाँ जाएंगे. इसको kidnap करेंगे, उसको kidnap करेंगे. ये नहीं करेंगे, वो नहीं करेंगे. It is very simple. It is very straightforward.
Arbaz Khan पलटी खा गया. Yes. Arbaz Khan पलटी खा गया. Oh my God, anti Salman हो गया.
Nowhere close to Jabariya's twists. Okay. So it is very simple.
Jabariya Jalebi.
Yeah, Jabariya Jalebi.
That is funny.
That is how it is actually like that. I'm going to look for it in Google. Somebody might have actually said, but it is brilliant. Otherwise, we'll copyright it. Okay, and coming to Kalank, as Akshay said, it is a visually stunning film. See, her film has something to, something which will make you want to go. But yeah, the costumes, see, they have put in a lot of effort. Execution gone horribly wrong, agreed, but they have put in lot of effort to all these things. One thing is that, and they've actually tried to do something with characters. Like if you take Alia's character, they really tried to establish layers in her. Ki okay, she's forced to get married. She is a very educated girl, but she's forced to marry someone, and she's not even seen his face, and she actually is confident enough to go to a publishing house which is doing very well and then speak on her own. So they actually tried to establish a character. ठीक है, अभी execution कैसे हो? I just seeing story points कि हाँ यार कुछ है depth इसमें. And after a long time, one major thing which they promote most of the movies is dance and songs, and it had Madhuri. It had Madhuri dancing, which is one of the biggest selling points, by the way. It is selling point.
Wasted.
If you're not a Madhuri fan, then it might not be. But for
I am.
But for most of the films, for most of the people,
it is the last choreography, I think, of Madhuri and Saroj Khan together.
Saroj Khan
and Madhuri together. Like they have a super
That is
combo.
great. That's
So,
they have made masterpieces, but this movie was not one of them.
So basically Kalank had points where like I really like to see what is that song where she said कि पीछे राम घूम रहे.
घर मोरे परदेसिया. Dude,
it is a beautiful song. It is a beautiful song.
I'm talking about that specific scene where Varun Dhawan की entry होती है, पहली बार वो देखता है उसको.
And पीछे से उड़ रहा है. I agree.
पीछे 24 राम ऐसे उड़ रहे होते हैं.
See, you should accept it as cinematic liberty. The director has taken liberty to कि यही है boss, यही है हमारा hero. ये दुनिया है, ये उनकी दुनिया में पीछे it is like that. मतलब you are showing कि वो एक prostitute का घर का entrance में सब कुछ चलता रहता है. You just have to accept it. But it is very visually pleasing. So there are times in the movie, even if the storyline is going idhar udhar, the visual Yeah, of course it will wear off eventually, but something to hold on to, which I did not find in Jabariya Jodi. It's visually not pleasing. It is the characters are I cannot say layered. I don't know what they're doing. Again, I'm not getting back there. And there's no point, like, you know, oh, Madhuri's song will come, oh, Salman's background music will come, oh, this will happen, oh, that will happen. Let's wait for it. Nothing. Nothing at all. That's about it.
So that's
it.
like your closing statement.
Yeah. Closing.
No.
Anu, you
I
want to
think-
say something?
So let's decide now.
Yeah.
So let's go with the same order. Let's
Okay.
let
So,
Akshay
okay.
go first, then Amrita then.
Okay, so let's just tell, no? Let's just tell how we're gonna decide. So अभी हमारे सामने तो यहाँ पे कोई judge है नहीं. So we are here to judge each other, and we are gonna judge. मतलब if I have to state, you know, who I think performed better between Amrita and Anusha, it's not going to be on the basis of their choice of the film. It's going to be on the basis of
And
their
it's not
argument.
also the basis
Yeah.
of what
Their
you
argument.
like or
So I
not
have
like.
to tell who's exactly. It is. I'm talking about. So I'm going to say.
Sorry, and the same applies to all the both of
argued here. Amrita will do the same. Anusha will do the
Yeah,
same.
yeah.
Whoever gets most votes amongst the three of
Yeah.
us, because of course we cannot give ourselves our vote, will win this debate.
So Akshay, go.
Yeah. Okay. I actually think the worst movie amongst the three of us is Jabariya Jodi, but I think Amrita had better arguments. So my vote goes to Amrita.
Thank you. I think the worst movie out of Jabariya Jodi and Dabangg is definitely Dabangg 3, right? Because I truly enjoyed Jabariya Jodi. Think what you will about myself.
I can't believe you are actually saying that.
I didn't mean it. I'm not even faking it for this video. मेरे को तो मजे आए. ठीक है, but whatever. But his arguments were better. Like he thought out his arguments. Plan करके तुमने कितनी notes बनाई थी सरकार?
वो उसने बहुत प्लानिंग की.
Because he really thought about his arguments.
मैंने 4 पेज भरे इस डायरी में.
Yes.
And वो 4 पेज points नहीं, they literally words. They're not even sentences. तो उतने words थे मेरे पास.
Adjectives.
अलग-अलग points के.
That's smart. That's very smart. I'll take that one. I rambled too much. But yeah, so worst movie is also Dabangg 3 and his arguments were also better, man. So yeah. Also probably because I like Jabariya Jodi, so your arguments would not stick for me anyway. Right? So
Yes, Anu.
My vote is the decider vote. I like this.
Anu, मैं chocolate खरीदूंगा.
I like
give you
this. I
cornetto.
like this. See, I don't even like cornetto, and I don't like chocolates also. तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
I give you
But
mango dolly. Mango dolly.
but
she's honest. उसे bribe मत करो.
but as a movie, out of Dabangg and Kalang, I like Kalang better. I like the setup better. And yeah, argument wise भी you put in effort. तुमने अपना opening speech, closing speech भी डाला है. So my vote goes to
Say the magic. Yes, say the magic word.
Akshay.
I will not be a sore loser. It's fine.
मुझको एक भी
I'm-
वोट नहीं
I'm
मिला.
happy for
But
you.
it's okay.
Congratulations.
I strongly believe that it's the worst film.
But I will tell you very honestly, I also think Jabariya Jodi is the worst of the three. In
Really?
fact, when you put that movie in the choices, I was like, shit, मैंने ये क्यों नहीं select किया?
यार मतलब मेरी choice तो मतलब माशाअल्लाह ही है क्योंकि मेरे को तो
No, I will
Jabariya
tell you
पसंद
what.
आई है.
Talk.
Yeah, okay. So for the audience, whoever seeing this, as you know, I won. Great. But we'd like to know what you also think about these three films. And were you Team Amrita, Team Anusha, or Team Akshay? Do let us know in the comments below. Do like, share, subscribe. The benefit of winning this debate is that I get to choose
The next
topic
topic,
for our
yeah.
next
For
video.
the next
topic.
video.
So looking
Yeah,
forward,
which
I
will
hope
be
you
out.
guys will also look forward to it. And I hope you
Yeah.
guys
Yes.
enjoy this video. So yeah, as he said, like,
Yeah.
subscribe,
We really
comment,
enjoyed it.
and
So
hit the
we're
bell
really hoping
icon
that
to
you
get
did
more
as well.
updates.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are officially
You want to-
YouTubers.
YouTubers now.